Now the cold would do its magic because I'm already wet and the breeze is blowing at its natural pace, which is quite ordinary to the mountains. Dude, you can't forget this ride. Once you have taken it, it would stay with you forever. Really, man. It's quite literally quite impossible to get these amazing scenes out of your brain. These are the bus stops. And it's all the tea plantations, as you can see here. Oh dude, what you guys are doing alone? So these are the locals. I don't know how much they can go on foot like this, but yeah, they walk a lot. And it's not the normal walk also, no, the incline makes it much more difficult. I have seen it in my Deccal trekking. A hell of a trek was that, man. I was literally gasping for airs. It was like my lungs would say, they would jump out of my chest. But thank God nothing like that happened. So here I am again enjoying this beautiful monsoon in Munnar. Wow, I got a tagline for that. Monsoon in Munnar. Hashtag solo ride. That would be a good title for my YouTube. Well, that's done. Let's finalize it. It is going to be that. Monsoon in Munnar, the solo ride. Oh man. Well, there are idiots everywhere. What you can do? I don't know. I literally don't know why he has to go so quick. Where the hell he wants to go? To his grave. Yeah, that only where he will go. The last. So why he is so quick or hesitating to go that? Or so eager to go there? Take it easy, man. You would get your chance. Oh wow, man, see this road. One curl, then again curl, then there it goes again. It's unique because the curls are not so, in continuity. You have to take some time, but this one is like visible from here itself, all the three curves. Take a gear down to increase the torque. Yeah, that's what the gear does. When the bike is in low gears, the torque is more, but the RPM is less. But when you are at high speed, you need high speed, so RPM should be more, but the torque is less. You do not have to pull anything. So that's the reason when you are starting the bike, it's recommended that it should be in first gear almost. Oh, stretching out his body. That's a good thing to do, right? Come to this valley, beautiful valley, and stretch out yourself. Dude, go away. Oh, it's like from here you can see that it's all completely covered with fog. Well, as soon as possible I need to invest into a good camera. Yes, GoPro is an action camera, so it captures all the movement with the bikes and all that. But good quality image or good quality videos, stable videos, or like B-rolls, I'm not getting into my videos. That's what making it a little bit, on the wrong side. Oh, man, it's literally dark here, nothing else, just fog. Oh, the wind is doing its all work just to impede my journey further. But this time I'm determined. I'll go, man. I won't stop. I'll go to my destination. It's already getting dark, and the fog has made it worse. I'm literally not able to see anything here, man. Why is it so dense? This kind, I think, really, like, one of the worst fogs that I had seen was in Sultan Batheri, like when I was crossing Ooty and I was entering Kerala, from that way till Wayanad. So when I was passing Sultan Batheri, then it was like amazing fog. And this one, make it 3 times of that. It's that much fog here. (6:32) already, so it's getting dark also. My beam is not able to cross the fogs. I'm still heading towards Munnar only. I don't know, man. I'm not able to see any signboards. So how to be sure of it? It's a viewpoint. What else you would get from here? There is nothing to view. It's all foggy. So I don't think there is any need for me to stop here. Completely fog. See in my mirror, man. What you are able to see? Anything? Just 2 headlights of a car.